ना वापस आ चुके हैं हेरो हील्स में और जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था वी हैव अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट टुडे. Not only is she beautiful and extremely well dressed herself, she is supremely talented, and I'm talking about Misha Lakhani. Welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. She walked in, with her coffee. I'm like, ये क्या बात है यार? We had to offer you coffee and tea. And we had brilliant coffee in 91, so no fair.
Next time.
Next time, definitely. So we're very excited. You're coming out with your Pret collection.
Yeah, well, it's Pret. It's evening wear. There's bridal, so it's sort of everything. But the Pret would be occasion wear, so it starts with that.
Aha.
Yeah.
So we will be giving everyone a sneak peek as far as your collection, what you have in store for them and everything. लेकिन थोड़ा सा मैं आपको मीशा के बारे में ये बताती चलूँ कि मीशा ने जनाब जो कहते हैं ना कि डिज़ाइन स्कूल की जब बात होती है तो सेंट मार्टिन्स जो है it's right up there. Central St. Martin's is where you did your design degree from, right?
I didn't get a degree there. I basically took a series of courses that would help me understand pattern cutting, evening wear, draping, what goes into building a fashion collection. And I did an internship with Bantu Kazmi.
Yes, I was just getting to that.
So,
from there to
yeah.
The oldest fashion veteran that we have here in Pakistan is Bantu Kazmi.
I mean, she's amazing. She's incredible. Her workmanship is wow.
And attention to detail. Oh
Yeah.
my God, the amount of detailing that goes on into one of her jodas is just phenomenal.
Yeah, people even commission her to make these wall hangings, beautiful tapestries. It's incredible. It's really, yeah.
So
wow.
obviously you also follow a similar philosophy. You do have the similar attention to details. You're into intricate designs and I've seen some of your jackets.
Yeah.
Beautifully embellished jackets. And if you guys want to get a sneak preview and find out exactly कि हम किस चीज़ के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं, then Misha has a Facebook page as well.
I do.
And it is Misha Lakhani, as simple as that. Misha Lakhani, go check it out on Facebook. She has a page and she's already put up a collection.
I've put up a series of about 7 looks from the ready to wear collection, and the idea behind a lot of the things is versatility. So you can mix things up according to how you want to wear it. So there's high-waisted sort of skirt lehengas, there's tops, there's beautiful dupattas, there's you can wear it how you like it.
And they're longer lengths as well. So
yeah,
you
I don't believe in following a trend long is in now, so we should only wear long. I feel like, make it your own. And
do what suits you. Hannah?
Yeah.
That's the difference between fashion and style at the end of the day. Do what suits you and what you feel comfortable and what you can carry off.
Yeah, be true to who you are. Yeah, definitely.
She walked in right now and she's wearing a beautiful pale. Iska kya color hum bolenge? Pale lemon?
Pale, mint or
and
pistachio,
it's beautiful embroidered joda with a churidar pajama, which is also embroidered, by the way. It's a similar fabric, right?
Yeah, it is.
So that's something that I haven't seen. Normally log plain churidar ke saath pehen lete hain, but that is exactly what she says, that mix things up, do stuff which is not run of the mill, something that people wouldn't expect, and that is your design philosophy.
Yes, but at the same time I like there to be a timelessness. I hate having to throw something out, whether it's a t-shirt from Topshop or H&M, or it's, unless I have to.
No, but you spend so much money, especially when it comes to even ready to wear in Pakistan is expensive. Let's just face it, है ना? And bridals पे जब हम आ जाते हैं और जब हम बात करते हैं embroidery के ऊपर, and you've got embellishments, the price tag just suddenly jumps and skyrockets. So you don't want to throw it out after a season.
Yeah.
You want to have that luxury of being able to wear it, for a couple of years, mixing and matching with different things. है ना? जैसे palazzo pants are in, so आपने उसके साथ पहन लिया, या चूड़ीदार के साथ पहन लिया. So मुझे ये बताएं, Misha, when did you think that, okay, I'm going to be taking designing very seriously now?
I think I always wanted to. I always harbored this desire to do it, but I kind of tried to ignore it for a while. I thought, I should challenge myself and do something that's very difficult, because this is something I just really enjoy and I always fantasizing about. But I feel like now that I'm older, I feel like you just have to do what you love and what you lose yourself in, and hours and hours go by and you don't notice.
Yeah, because then suddenly work is no longer work.
Yeah.
Right? And that's the best kind of feeling.
And there's hard bits as well, but it's worth it, because Yeah.
So you also put up a mood board on your Facebook page, and that is something that a lot of designers normally don't do. But that is what she's trying to tell all her people, whoever just goes and visits her page, which I'm sure a lot of you will be doing right now. It's Misha Lakhani, MISHA Lakhani. और अगर आप हमारे Radio 1 FM 91 के Facebook पेज पे जाएंगे तो वहां भी हमने लिंक दिया हुआ है, आप कहीं मिस नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो मीशा लखानी का पेज जाके चेक कीजिए. मूड बोर्ड उन्होंने लगाया है, stuff that inspires her.
Yes.
So
things that have like inspired the collection, things that speak to me. It could be like a silhouette, the way somebody's wearing something, or the mood behind something, or an old fresco. It could be anything. And it's fun to look at these things. I think all of us enjoy looking at just interesting images.
And being a designer, you can't shut out inspiration. It's like constantly, you're a sponge and you're absorbing it all. So we're going to be talking to her more about her inspirations and exactly क्या-क्या चीजें उनको इंस्पायर करती हैं, किया है इस पर्टिकुलर कलेक्शन में. लेकिन सबसे पहले मुझे मीशा ये बताइए कि आप सैटरडे को you're opening the doors to everyone and you're saying please come and visit.
Come check it out.
Come check it out. But where would they be able to check it out?
It's on East Street. Unfortunately, people don't recognize streets by names that much. But it's the same street that Xander's is on, Ensemble 44.
So it's a well-known street, guys. You can't miss it if you've been to Xander's, which I'm sure you have, and if you've been to Ensemble, and I'm sure that you have, then you will definitely be able to check Misha Lakhani out. And also, everyone's on Foursquare, so it's very easy to get directions now. We have her address also put up on our Facebook page. आप वो जाके भी देख सकते हैं. मेरा Facebook page भी check कर सकते हैं. वहाँ भी लगाया हुआ है RJ राबिया अहमद. मीशा लखानी का खुद का पेज है MISHA Lakhani. So just go check out her page and be there on Saturday. अगर उस वक्त तक जो है वो कपड़े रहे तो, because we don't promise that. Seriously, her designs are very, very interesting. And the best thing about it is that you can mix and match. I mean, if you've got a pair of pants at home that you think will go brilliantly with the top, or so you can just buy the top.
Exactly. I love that. Like, you should be able to like mix things up. You'd be like, oh my god, I love the way that's styled. I have a beautiful thing at home that it's my mom's or whatever, and it would look great with this one piece that I bought from you.
And you know what? It's really interesting. You're one of the very few people who I've met who is very open to allowing people to make your designs their own, like styling it the way they want it to. But normally designers जो होते हैं वो कहते हैं कि यार हमारा ये look है and please stick with this, don't muck around with it. This is what suits it best. If there's a churidar, please just wear a churidar with it, or just wear pants with it, and so on and so forth. But you're all about getting people to get friendly with your designs. And
also say if like where you're getting ready or something, right? Or like oftentimes you find yourself friends like, how is this looking? You can advise them and be like, I think this would look amazing, but it's up to them. If they feel more comfortable with something, it looks great too, so people should be true to themselves as well.
So very design friendly and making it your own and mixing and matching with stuff that's already in your wardrobe. Well, that's what Misha Lakhani's collection is all about. We will be talking to more about her inspiration and traveling and a lot more. And बहुत ही interesting सवाल एमी पे मैं पूछने वाली हूँ कि खाने में क्या अच्छा लगता है और relax कैसे करती हैं. ये सारी चीजें भी होंगी. So just stay tuned into Radio 1 FM 91. We will be right back because today is Wednesday and request bajani hai. So coming up right now is Veronica with Rush. So that was Keisha Cole with Enough of No Love. But there's plenty of love that's been on the new collection of Misha Lakhani. And yes, she's like, oh my god, did you just say that? But yes, I did. Corny, we are right now on Radio 1 FM 91. This is Rabia, and with me, I have my gorgeous guest, Misha Lakhani, sitting here. I love your hair, by the way.
Thank you.
And, anyway, I think I'm loving her a bit too much right now. And hopefully I'm not freaking her out.
No.
But yes, moving on to your collection, and I have your ready-to-wear line, the sneak preview that you put up on your Facebook page, right here in front of me. So out of the 5, 6, 7 that you put up, which is your absolute favorite? Which one would you want to wear right now?
Okay, not right now.
No, right now.
These days, okay.
Come on.
I like all of them. I'm trying not to do anything that I wouldn't want to wear myself, but I think one of my favorites is the high-waisted skirt with the tank top and the dupatta.
Ah, yes, the white
just
and the
because
yellow.
It's a fun silhouette, and it's something that I haven't seen
Yep, and there's a lot of is that embroidery or what embellishments that are
On the
going-
bottom,
Yes,
it's,
and the
it's,
dupatta is beautiful.
It's a digital print, and on top of that, they've embellished it with these metal sitaras.
Oh, interesting! I
Yeah.
love the yellow. I love the
Nice.
yellow.
It's a Gota dupatta.
Yes, I could tell. I could
With
tell,
the
and I
print.
love Gota. I love the fusion of traditional with modernism. You know, you've
Yeah.
got the digital print, which is quite like quite modern for us now. But then you've got the Gota also happening.
Yeah.
So it's a nice mix. Is that like something that you focus on in every design that you put out, or is that just happens naturally?
I'm really drawn to so many different types of crafts, if you want to call it that. Like whether it's Gota or Resham or Zardozi or like like
Kamdani,
Pitta or Kamdani, all kinds. I mean, there's nothing that I love more or less, or I wouldn't do. I like combining all different elements. I think that's really interesting. Different textures, different like a lot of people. Not that it's a bad thing, but they'll match all the fabrics. Like the dupatta should match and the kameez should match, and this. I don't think that's necessarily true. In fact, I like it when there's contrasting textures. There are things that shouldn't go together, but
Yeah.
just kind of look beautifully.
It's kind
put
of like the
together.
same thing when it comes to when you're enjoying a particular cuisine or something that you like eating. You
Yeah.
want textures in it. That just brings that interest level back up, right? So I think similar thing just goes for clothes as well. You like the soft against like a little bit of rugged, and
Yeah.
you've got like the bling with a little bit of muted. It's just
Yeah.
like a balance. You need to strike that balance every time. So Misha, tell me, whenever you're designing, do you design for a particular person that you have in your head, like a muse of sorts, or do you design for let's just say 10 different women, like something for everyone?
I mean, I guess you could maybe in a way say 10 different women, because people talk about having muses. I think there's so many women that I admire, whether it's their philosophy and the way they carry themselves, or the way they they're, I don't know. So and growing up, like, say if I didn't have stuff, just like a lot of us, we just like go into our mom's closets or this one's or whatever, and you just put stuff together. So I think there's things that a lot of ages would find interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't think it's I'm designing for a particular age or a particular type of woman. I think she's definitely maybe a little curious, and I don't know. It's hard
Who
to
likes to
say.
have fun with clothes?
Yeah, but if she wants, she can also wear it the way she's comfortable wearing it, which is the way she's always worn it.
Someone like you? So are you designing for yourself as well? Like
I guess
you have-
myself as well.
Ella?
But but I'm not always wanting to be like, oh, super trendy. Sometimes I just like, classic with a
Yeah.
twist.
But then that's what you are all about, right? Timeless and
Yeah.
elegance, and then a
Hopefully.
little bit of quirky put in, with the colors maybe, or like you said, the high-waisted sharara
Yeah.
that you have, the lehenga,
Yeah.
right? And normally,
Which is practically like a skirt. It's not even like,
yeah, it doesn't. I mean, for a minute, I thought that what you had up there was a tank top and a skirt, but it is a lehenga at the end of the day.
it could be a high-waisted skirt, you know? Like, you could wear it however. You could wear it, like, to a brunch. You could wear it, dress it up. You could wear it to, like, I don't know, dholki.
You also like doing a lot of jumpsuits.
Actually, I think there's one thing that looks like a jumpsuit, but it's not a jumpsuit. It's floor length.
Because
Dress.
I read somewhere
Kameez.
that you personally like doing jumpsuits, but I wanted to ask you this question, okay? Jumpsuits look brilliant on tiny waisted women.
I'm actually not doing jumpsuits, though.
So but as a designer,
Yeah.
what do pear-shaped women like me do? Who love jumpsuits, like when we see them on other people, but we can't possibly get away with wearing it.
So, like, I'm not doing jumpsuits, but, like, I think that anybody can carry any silhouette as long as the proportions are right. For example, like, Muse does really nice jumpsuits, and I think that they're made in a way where it's not, like, it sits right. So, I think pear-shaped women could wear, they're more like culottes. They're not, like, skinny drain pipe types. So if it's flowy and loose, I think then any body type can wear
There's
it.
a jumpsuit that's made for pear-shaped. You should work on that,
Yes,
Nisha.
I'll
Come
work
on,
on
the next
that.
collection has to be for us as well.
Yeah, I'll put it in a jumpsuit.
But if you guys like to mix your traditional elements with a little bit of modernism, well, then I think your collection is something that they really need to go check out
I
on
hope so.
Saturday.
Come check it out.
Yeah, I mean, and if you want to know exactly what we're talking about, just go check out her Facebook page right now. It is Misha Lakhani, Misha. Lakhani. Just go check it out, or just go to our Facebook page, which is Radio 1 FM 91 Music is my lifeline. और वहाँ आपको 3-4 लिंक्स मिल जाएंगे. हमारी कवर फोटो भी इनके ऊपर है. हमारे पास आपका मतलब कोई ऐसा रीजन ही नहीं कि आप इनका पेज नहीं चेक कर सकते. So definitely go out. There's one very interesting piece that we're going to be
What's your favorite piece, by the way?
I'm loving. I love the white one, but I love this one. It's simple, but it just flows brilliantly.
That's really nice. Yeah.
What is it actually?
You know,
is this beautiful olive green, military green?
Yeah, it's satin.
Ah.
And you know what? I feel like this is a piece that looks really nice when you're walking in it because there's a lot of movement.
Yeah.
So you can't even really appreciate it. So it's amazing that you like it like
no,
this.
I do because I see a lot of shaded elements also popping in, and the fact that she's so comfortable wearing it.
Yeah.
I think comfort is a huge thing for me when it comes to clothes.
Yeah.
And I'm sure जितने भी लोग इस वक्त हमें सुन रहे हैं उनके लिए भी comfort बहुत जरूरी होता है because you know एक चीज बड़ी अच्छी लग रही होती है but अगर comfortable नहीं होती पहनने के लिए so you just don't want to.
You can't even enjoy conversation because you're constantly thinking, oh my god, this pinches, or oh my god, do I look fat, or is this sticking out, or
well,
is this falling off?
You're extremely comfortable in what you're wearing right now, and hopefully the conversation is flowing good. But right now we'll be back after a short commercial break and more music, and I will also be playing some of Misha's favorite tracks because today is request special on Head Over Heels. So coming up right now is going to be a commercial break, and after that Michael Jackson featuring Pitbull with Bad. Alright, that was Michael Jackson featuring Pitbull with Bad, and very interesting things that we're talking about off air, which we're also going to share with you guys right now on air. What is this? And what, you were talking about something nude and...
Oh my god, yeah.
What? Go ahead.
We were talking about shoes and she was saying how you're always buying black shoes?
Yeah, like
you know, go with everything?
Because you know the thing is that you treat when you're earning a specific amount, and आजकल तो हर जगह recession ही हुआ हुआ है. So everyone, I think, like we both kind of agreed on the fact that you need to get mileage out of whatever purchase that you're doing, be it clothes, be it shoes, be it anything, and you're also really big on that. So that's why you've made a collection.
Discarding stuff.
Yeah, and I mean, if you spend like a lot of money on stuff, you don't want to wear it just like, you know, a couple of times.
Yeah.
Also, we were talking about how people need to go for the less embellished stuff, go for more cut
stuff up, you know, like a lot of the time, say there's like say you're going to, I don't know, a mehndi or a party or whatever, like, or maybe with Eastern stuff, I feel like they always feel the need to match like a border or something along every single thing. So I feel like that prevents you from mixing things up sometimes.
Yeah.
When maybe you could have just a simply beautifully cut.
Yeah, a nice flowing outfit, or you know, just
and wear that with something embellished if you want to make it heavier.
Absolutely, and you've got the luxury of then dressing it up or dressing it down. And dressing it up, you can have like really heavy jewelry that you can put on, and that completely changes an outfit. Or if you suddenly want to take the same piece of outfit and you just wear it with absolutely nothing, and just put on a simple black eyeliner and red lips. Wow, that's another look completely. So you have that thing that you can just keep changing your looks with everything that's already in your wardrobe. So what Acha, tell me one thing, you like to travel a lot, I'm guessing, because you were mentioning Jaipur, and then you so do you have the traveling bug in you?
I mean, I think we all like to travel, when we can get away, but I mean, for a while I haven't been able to because I've been working hard towards this. So I had to forego this family holiday where everyone went to Mykonos. I've never been to Greece, so I was like, no, I'm not going to go this time. But who doesn't love traveling?
Yeah, how could you say no to that? I would have said, we will work, but we need a vacation. Always. So any particular city or country that has, that always draws you back as far as inspiration is concerned? It's just
New York City.
Because the hustle and bustle and the complete melting pot.
There's just like, I don't know, it's just there's this crazy energy there, and it's just, I don't know what it is. I think you either love it or you're more of a, I don't know, or it's too much.
So whenever you go to New York City, you always come down with, this is something that I can do in my clothes. Does that happen to you?
Not necessarily. I guess in that sense, okay, maybe I'm being unfair. Maybe I just love New York City for what it is, but I think in terms of inspiration, there's so many places. You could even be in Karachi. You don't necessarily have to travel. I mean, I think with the internet and books and film, and I mean, there's so many places you can be inspired. You don't necessarily have to travel. I think it sounds very glamorous, but I mean, not to say that travel is not inspiring. Like Istanbul is so rich in history and art and textiles, and that's definitely inspiring. But yeah,
So Pakistan mein, then what city?
tons
would-
of inspiration.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, yeah, I just wish things were more accessible, you know. We don't have the right infrastructure to be able to like have access to these indigenous crafts and stuff, so it's a bit of a hassle
like
to
you've
like
got amazing relief work that goes on.
yeah,
with the
beautiful
interior.
work, you know, and
And Kailash ka jo खूबसूरत bead work hota hai, which
this
is just so
stunning work
intricate.
all over Pakistan. It's incredible. Like it's sad that things are not more accessible. You know, even up north, it's so much beauty. Like I'm dying to go to Chitral. I've seen photos. I mean, wow.
But I don't think now would be a good time
No.
to travel. Yeah, now would
it's
not.
gonna stay
Which is
put.
really sad because I mean seriously, कल ही मेरी किसी से बात हो रही थी और हम यही बात कर रहे थे कि यार up north it's just so beautiful. I've been to Kalam and I've been to Swat, but I couldn't go to Kaghan and Naran. But it's so beautiful and the people there are
Yeah.
so friendly and it's just a
Yeah.
completely different take on our country.
And
as
they
a-
have their own subcultures, which
Yes,
is like
yes.
so interesting in itself.
And even if you just travel like to Thatta, for example,
Yeah.
suddenly you discover a whole
Yeah.
different world that kind of opens up to you. But we're talking about like fashion and what inspires. So
Right.
anything that anything desi, like obviously Gota, Marori, Kamdani. This is also like very strong as far as that craftsmanship is concerned. But what would you like? What is your absolute favorite?
I don't know if I have an absolute favorite. I think I love everything so much, you know, and I love it all. I love it all equally.
Something that you personally like wearing a lot.
Personally, like wearing a lot.
See, this is a show that just gets you to think as well.
Yes. Well, in the day, I really like, and I'm doing some of this. It's like this combination of shadow and tarkashi. So that's fun for me because I can wear it a zillion times. I don't think I'll ever throw it away. So sort of like this, but this doesn't have. This only has one of the types of
Yeah.
embroideries. It doesn't have the other one. I don't know. Hard to say.
See,
I like everything.
She likes everything and she designs for
and I
every
appreciate
woman as
other
well.
people's things too. Like I think it's all so interesting. There's so much out there.
Oh, okay.
So
And okay, now we need to talk about what you have in store for everyone on Saturday. So what can they be, expecting? Should they be expecting embellished jackets or like, high-waisted skirts? What?
I think they can expect a variety of silhouettes and prints ranging from digital prints, screen prints, discharge prints. What else? I mean,
So you've really
There's evening
experimented
wear.
with prints this time.
not just prints, even different types of embellishment. There's like a variety of that too. And it's not always, it's hard to describe. That's why I've put up some photos as well. So people, when you see it, you kind of just get it. You're like, okay, fine.
This is, and basically every photograph, there's a different look altogether. How would you describe this particular one? There's this, I'm loving the print and I'm loving the colors and I'm loving the white pants. Are
Yeah.
these pants? Because
Yeah,
they look
and
like
it's gotten
pants.
this work like that's done up north called Tarkashi. So
Huh.
there's that on the
On the border?
Izar, no, on the bottom of
Acha,
the pants.
okay.
So those are like easy separates that you can get in different fabrics. And then the top is more like classic, the cut. It's quite simple. I mean, I think
I love the colors.
I
It's
can see
very
my mom wearing it. I could
see
wear it.
myself wearing it. Yeah, forget about your mom right now. I can see myself wearing that one. But my heart's set on the military green,
Yeah.
gorgeous satin flowing
Nice.
out. And if you guys want to know what I am talking about, well, then what you need to do is just go check out the Facebook page. It is Misha Lakhani, Misha Lakhani. Just go check out the page. And Saturday she opens the doors to everyone and welcomes every one of you who are listening right now. And if you guys have any questions for her, please SMS right now. 919 है नंबर SMS करने का. लिख दीजिएगा कराची स्पेस अपना सवाल लिखिएगा, भेज दीजिएगा 919 पर, या फोन उठाइए, नंबर मिलाइए 021111191 या फेसबुक पे जाइए Radio 1 FM 91. Music is my lifeline. Right now we're going to go in for a song. This is going to be LMFAO with Sexy and I Know It. It's 11:03 on the dial right now. You're tuned into the second half of Head Over Heels with me, Rabia, and our very lovely guest, which is Misha Lakhani. And we were talking off air about weddings and how I am loving the concept of brunch weddings, which has just come about. I'm loving that, and one event weddings. So when we're talking about weddings, how could it not be that I have a designer in the studios with me and we not talk about bridals? Kaise ho sakta hai? And Misha has a lot in her collection. Not only is she doing pret, she's doing like bridals as well. There are a lot of saris, there are like embellished jackets and everything. Plus she interned at Banto Kazmi, so a lot that we need to talk about when it comes to bridals. Misha, take over.
So one thing that Banto said to me, I remember, she said, when you do your thing, whatever it is, it should have you written all over it. It shouldn't be like anybody else, because otherwise what's the point, you know? And it's okay to appreciate. Like, I love the work she does. I think it's amazing, incredible. Like, a lot of it's like art.
They become like family heirlooms. Like, literally every piece then becomes like that.
She does great work. Like, I know so many people have been going to her for so long, and, they keep going for a reason, right?
Yeah.
But I think that ultimately whatever you do, it should have your own thing. And there's a lot of, like, how do I explain? In terms of, like, workmanship and all, there's so much out there. So I think
so much that you can experiment with and
so I think
yes.
So so I think that the stuff I've done does have integrity.
Yeah.
And
so how what would be a Misha Lakhani bride? Like, what would she be wearing?
That's interesting.
Come on. She's like,
okay, so she's not like
less is more.
Yeah, I mean, although, you know what, that's subjective, right? Because to somebody, they're like, oh, I'm like so low-key, and the other person's like, dude, are you kidding?
Yeah, that's like,
so over the top.
Yeah.
So I don't want to answer that because it's so subjective, but I think she's...
What colors?
Oh my gosh, I love all colors.
No, but come on. I mean, what's the first thing that comes to your mind right now?
Right now, I think layered stuff, like, again, like separates that you could wear, say, like a beautiful coat with a blouse inside, like a sari blouse type inside.
I'm loving how this
and
is
a high-waisted lehenga and a beautiful separate dupatta, and like they're all equally beautiful but different, but go well together, and you could wear them all separately, a zillion times
separately as well. Like, you could just wear that wear the coat with a pair of really nicely tailored jeans as well. That would look really nice as well.
Or trousers.
Yeah, good trousers. That could work. And then you've got the blouse that you can make a really nice simple sari to go with it.
Simple screen printed sari or hand painted. I don't know. I think it's nice if you can get mileage out of stuff. But at the same time, I do think a lot of people think a bride's a bride and you should look like a bride, and that's fine too.
No, but like, if you have it,
I'm not saying you shouldn't look like a bride. You look like a bride.
But you've got the layering that's happening, so you do end up looking like the bride, because the complete package is with the jewelry and the makeup and the whole shebang. But the good thing is that you can use each and every element from this complete picture that you've painted and use separately, and like you said, use it like a gazillion times. And ये आप रोना जो होता है ना कि यार एक जोड़ा आपने 4 लाख का ले लिया और अब मैं पहनूंगी कहाँ इसको, तो वो मसला नहीं होगा. एंड ये जो फिलॉसफी है ये इनके रेडी टू वेयर में भी है. इन्होंने कहा कि सारे जो इनके आउटफिट्स हैं वो मिक्स एंड मैच आप कर सकते हैं. कोई पैंट्स अगर आपके घर में पड़ी हुई है और आपको लगता है कि यार आई थिंक दे विल गो ब्रिलियंटली विद दिस कुर्ता और this flared top that she has with it, then you can just buy that. Or if you think you like what the top for one outfit is and the pants to the other one, you can mix and match that. And plus there are different looks that you've come out with. Now you've got the tank top with like a high-waisted worked lehenga, which people normally don't put together. They say कि भाई लहंगा हो तो उसके साथ कमीज भी अच्छी worked होनी चाहिए. But you have the work dupatta, which is a completely different color. It's like yellow. The rest of the outfit is completely white. So it just brings out that fun element also in your design. So what's your favorite color? I know you love colors, but what's your favorite color these days?
Right now, I don't know what's my favorite.
Pastels, brights, neon is back in. So
yeah, although I'm wearing like a mint green, pastels aren't my favorite. I prefer like vibrant and dark colors. you know, I don't know. I just gravitate towards those.
And they have just so much life in them as well.
Yeah.
But I think pastels are beautiful for early morning and like daytime and even brunches. Maybe like
exactly.
a brunch bride should definitely even offer like a mint green that you're wearing would be gorgeous.
Great in the daytime, you know. For night, I feel like bolder colors are more fun.
Yeah, fuchsia.
Yeah, although I love white as well.
White and gold का तो एक classic combination है ना. That can never go out of style, and that's what you also believe in as far as your designs are concerned. You want them to be timeless. You want them to, you know, be worn through the years, but also look kind of like up to date and very modern as well.
Yeah.
So how do you come up with such designs? Like, what's your process like?
I guess I experiment, just like I don't know, it could be anything. It could be just like, you know, messing about in my closet, trying random stuff on and being like, oh my god, that looks amazing. I should work with this, like, I don't know, this waistline or like the way this falls. Or it could be, you know, something I've seen, say like, I don't know, I'm flipping through Vogue or something and I'm like, wow, that looks amazing. Like this like slouchy jacket and then I'll think it'll look great with something Eastern. I don't know.
You should tell me one thing that I mean, यहाँ इतने सारे लोग हैं जो कि degree नहीं लेते हैं या courses नहीं करते हैं या they don't go in for formal education per se. They're like हाँ हमारे दोस्तों को बड़ा अच्छा लगता है हमारे designs या you know people want us to design so हम घर बैठ के बस शुरू कर लेते हैं. Why did you decide to go in for some formal education? Why did you think that was so important?
I don't think you necessarily need a formal education to excel at something you want to do. I think as long as you're determined, driven, you know, and you love what you do, you're going to make sure you do it right, you know? So
but
I don't think it's required, but for me, I really wanted to be in a context where I could experiment and try different things and have sort of like a sounding board, which is why I like really tried my best to like, you know, get that internship with Bunto, because I think that by seeing that, I would just, you learn more
on the job.
You know, you just, like even when I was taking all these classes, it was interesting because how else would I understand what goes into pattern cutting? Now I understand what goes into it in the language and I can kind of level with them and be like, hey, try this, like, oh no, you know.
And you can show it to your tailors as well, because उनको तो नहीं पता कि यार आप किस drapery की बात कर रहे हो, किस cut के बारे में. And if you can show it to them or make the pattern for them, they will be, you know, they're on the same page with you, and you're also educating them. साथ में.
And it's fun. It's a learning process for both, you know. And for example, like I think there's some classes that are not offered here, but again, you don't necessarily need to go get a formal education. But for me, I really wanted that, and I guess I was lucky I was able to go.
So,
you know, but even if I hadn't gone, I would have, you know.
But
I think it's fine.
Every single one of you who goes on Saturday to Misha's studio, which you can find out the address for on her Facebook page, which is Misha Lakhani, Misha Lakhani. Just go check out the page. She's put up 7 looks there. They're just literally a sneak peek of what is in store for you guys. She does bridals, she's saris, she's got jackets, she's got ready to wear, she's got, you know, stuff that you can wear probably to the office and everything. So there's a whole lot and a lot more even after that to look forward to on Saturday. Definitely go check her out, and you know, all the best for your launch, and you know, everything's gonna go brilliant. We're so super excited about it.
Yay.
And
that's great.
Everyone who gets to meet you gets excited about, because you're such a delightful person to be with. She didn't bring any scrambled eggs for me, which I'm not liking. So you know, next time you come, you better get me scrambled eggs too.
I promise.
And all the best for that. But in the end, what would you like to say to all the people who are listening to you right now and seeing you via a webcam?
How awkward. I don't know. I mean, I guess come check it out, you know. Maybe you'll, I don't know.
You'll become a Misha Lakhani person
by
the end of it.
No.
Mix and match and have
you'll
fun
see
with
something
fashion.
that makes you you. Helps you be more you.
I don't think that could have been put any better the way you just, you know, put it. That, you know, it'll help you discover you. Brilliant stuff. So definitely go check out her studios on Saturday. We will let you know what we think about the collection when we go get to see it. But right now, thank you so much for coming and joining me.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you, and we'll definitely have you back again.
Yes.
We need to do a post launch thing as well. है ना? Chale, done it with scrambled eggs and coffee, courtesy of Misha. All that and a lot more. And requests shall continue all the way till noon. तो अपनी request भेज सकते हैं आप. नॉइक पर कराची लिख दीजिएगा, अपना नाम लिखिएगा और request भेजिएगा. Facebook पे जाइए, वहाँ post कीजिए. RJ Rabia Ahmed. Right now, it's going to be a short commercial break, and after that, Cat DeLuna with Run the Show.